we did our first trial fit. And nothing's welded, it's just set in there. But it's going to work. It's going to go down at the front a bit, but no big deal. We're just about ready to go for groceries. Maybe not quite, but we're getting there. Let's take a look underneath. Well, that looks a lot better than it did. Just one more step. Okay, so we've got the outer wheelhouse on the driver's side installed. Managed to do it without wrecking any of the paint. Got all my plug welds all the way around. As you can see, everything's in place. It looks good overall. Everything fits well. And inside, I welded it to the framework, and the intention is after that to plug weld the inner onto the outer. It would have been probably beneficial or nice to have lined up your holes perfectly and drilled them both at the same time and tried to attach them to that inner structure, but we're not working at that level, so we're good. But not a huge step by any means, but a huge step in this process. We've got the pour 15 all down in the corners, you know, in the inner spots where we'll never see again, where we don't want it to ever rust again. They overlapped the quarter when they installed it. Of course, why would they want to butt weld it? Nobody would do that now, would they? So I pour 15 up inside the little small bit of overlap that was there, and seam sealed it after. So that's, you know, that's all you can do. It'll rust probably in 15-20 years from now, but I won't care. I'll be too old. So one more step. Another day in the shop. We now have both outers installed. Didn't wreck the paint on this side neither. Got our plug welds in. Turned out good. Everybody's home sweet home. As good as it's gonna be. Next we'll do the trunk floor. Get it welded in. That's a lot of welding on that one. And then we'll work on this area. All kinds of fun on this old girl. All that we can handle. Well, just finished setting up, laying out, and drilling all my plug weld holes for the trunk. 96 holes. I got to do 96 plug welds and then one butt weld all the way across the front. Jeez. Oh, if it was easy, all the old cars would be new. Okay, trunk floor is officially in. The welds look like crap, but that's why I have a grinder for just such an occasion. But yeah, very happy. Outer wheelhouses look good. Got a lot of grinding to do now to get things smoothed up and get the wheelhouses smoothed up and ready for the inners to be installed. So that's awesome. We're looking good. Have to do some seam sealer along the back edge and front later, but very good.